So today I'm going to show you how to add custom email signature to your Yahoo Mail. So to get started, open Yahoo Mail onto your browser and make sure you're signed in onto your account. Then click the gear icon on the upper right hand corner, open settings. Next, click more settings at the bottom part of the panel. Now, on the left side, select writing email. Here, you'll see the signature section. Toggle the switch on, include a signature, then type your signature in the text box below. You can add your name, title, contact info, links or emojis if you want. You can also add your image or logos by using Google Docs. Then copy and paste the image into the signature box right here on Yahoo Mail. If you have multiple email addresses connected to Yahoo, you can create a unique signature for each one. Once you're happy with it, close the settings tab. Yahoo automatically saves your changes. Now, when you compose a new email, your custom signature, including your image, will appear at the bottom automatically. And that's it. That's how you easily add a signature to your Yahoo Mail in just a few simple steps.